Hey, dudes with wrenches here. What are we gonna do today? Let's go check out an old International plow truck. Let's go check it out. Hell, never gonna end, is it? Nope. All right, let's jump right into this. We got here a C1200 1968 International. She's got a plow on her. She's the old farm snow moving rig. We're gonna get her all fired up here and see how she all works out. We're even gonna do the right thing and check if it's got fluids in it. I guess that's the thing. Ooh, look at that. Oh man, we're doing good so far. There you go. That battery kind of fits in there snug, don't it?
Yeah, it's not too good.
All right, you know.
But it's the same battery for about 8 years, and it hasn't let me down yet.
Well, there you go. So it's still running points. It's got a dual master. That looks a little low.
A little dry. We'll worry about that later.
You don't need brakes. The fun thing about this plow is, if you notice, boys and girls, there ain't no plow pump on there because she's a belt-driven unit.
Keys aren't in it.
Well, that's problematic. We gotta go find some keys. What we're doing is we're looking to see if we can get an ignition switch because the keys have seemed to grow in some legs. We can't seem to find them. So, we're gonna get that ignition switch pulled out and we'll see if we can get this fixed. Alright, we've torn a lot of little pieces out of there. And we got the old key switch. It doesn't need keys. Alright, let's go reinstall that guy and see if we can make this thing go. Modified awesomeness installed. There's the old trusty gas tank in the back because the old mounted in the cab unit doesn't work very well anymore. It's got fuel in it. I mean,
We actually don't have a tank behind the seat.
no tank behind the seat. What's the hole right there then?
Underneath the floor.
Somebody's had a tank under the floor, I guess. I thought they were up in the fender.
Some of them are in these years.
All right. This is the improved option one. She's a little rusty, but she's all the trusty. All right, that battery's out. No buenos.
About 8 years, and it hasn't let me down yet. About 8 years, and it hasn't let me down yet. Let me down yet. Let me down yet. Let me down yet.
This battery's in. Homemade jumper cables. Let's see what happens. Oh. She's cranking.
Pumping fuel, the filter on the tank is filling.
All right, we got a fuel pump. There she is, boys. Screaming to life. That's all she does. Fires up in the cold and pushes snow. Oh, she's even gonna idle. Nice. She got the mechanical levers. Work it. Alright, let's pull them jumping cables off. You're running like an old International tractor. Just chugging along. I'm smoking. Don't worry about that. Smoke don't hurt nobody. Give her a look-see. Oh yeah. He's got that good brown fuel. I mean, that's important. Ah, got the air holes, you know. You don't want to get fumigated in here. I mean, that's fine. Got all the good shifters. Manual plow controls over there. See, it's happier now. Are we gonna strap that battery down or are we good? All ain't going nowhere. Good to go. Classy, boys and girls. Tires are a little low. It's better that way. They're just air down for the weather. She climbed right out of her little holes. Find that light there. Don't need that. It's got the open air model bed floor. Rubber mat surplus. I'm assuming it used to be wood. No, wood? Actual metal bed. Well, metal bed delete. Got that wood in it. Oh, she's got some metal. Oh, I see it there. Yep, got some metal left in there. You gotta love the Midwest. Just eats vehicles up. But old Internationals, you just can't kill them. Look at that hub there. Look at them split wheels. Can't beat that. Good old set of bias plies, split rims, and a bolt pattern. We have no idea how you'd ever get a new one. Yeah, it's the good stuff. Let's get in this thing, go for a ride. The hole on the floor. Oh, I gotta slam them doors good. My eyes are burning. I guess that means I'm still alive. Negative we are on the brakes.
That one reservoir that didn't have nothing in it, yeah, that reservoir's not doing us any good.
Yep, there you go. Sorry, it's a manual. Turn it. Get in there. She turns like an International tractor too. Clean her out, huh? You just drop her down in gear and let her have it. We gotta put her to bed with our new key. There she goes. Cleaning, shutting off.
Might be why that other battery was dead.
Might be. All right, well, might have to put a disconnect on the old battery cable. I don't see a switch that shuts that off. We might have to pull the bulb.
Yeah.
You said it didn't have it before, so.
No, I don't remember that it worked at all.
Well, it's a new thing, I guess. My door didn't close. I gotta set that bottom hinge. There she goes. So what is this old motor anyway?
It's a 304.
304 V8. She looks like she's leaking a little oil back there, but
yeah,
that's to be considered.
it leaks a little bit of everything now and then.
Yeah, keeps itself clean that way.
Yeah, well lubricated.
Yep, you just add it. It's fine. This rig doesn't have to go out of the yard very much. It's just occasionally you need to clean her out a little bit and let her breathe. Alrighty. I think that's it on this old boy. Yeah, can't kill an old International. She's singing the song for people. Poorly running, but still running.